I don't like seagulls. In fact, I bloody hate them. Bastards.
You like pigeons? Mum says you prefer your pigeons to her.
There's bloody hundreds of them. They think they own the place. Clear off. Go on, get out of it.
Why don't you relax? Read your paper or something.
I can't concentrate, not with all this squawking going on.
You got to expect some squawking. It is the seaside.
They shit everywhere. It's unhygienic.
We should stop going on about it.
That one pinched me sandwich.
You haven't got a sandwich.
Thieving bastards.
I'm going to have an ice cream. Do you fancy one?
Herringulls at worst.
I asked you if you wanted an ice cream.
I don't like ice cream.
Yes, you do. You like vanilla?
Not when they put muck on it, I don't.
Raspberry syrup, that's all it was.
And nuts. I bloody hate nuts.
Well, I'm going to have a double cone. Exotic mango, tropical coconut. I might even have a flake in it. And hundreds and thousands.
You'll get fat. Shoving all that muck down your neck.
Dad, I'm on holiday. If I want an ice cream, I'll have one.
Your mother got fat. She never stopped bloody growing.
Mum is not fat.
She bloody is.
And you're Leonardo DiCaprio, I suppose.
It were cool with your mother. Coronation Street on telly. A mug of tea in one hand and a big lump of coal in the other. By the time news at 10 come on, she looked like a black and white bloody minstrel.
Do you think he can wear pink? If he's a boy?
You should get one of them tests.
Don't suppose it matters. Not when they're small.
Your mother thinks you should get one of them tests.
I've already said I'm not having one of those tests. It'll spoil the surprise.
Bloody hell. £8.50 for suntan lotion?
It's not sun lotion, it's sunblock. Factor 50 for maximum protection.
We used to make our own. Vinegar and cooking oil.
Yeah, and you smelled like a bag of chips. It was horrible.
There were a bloke on Shanklin seafront. They robbed his kebab and then they pecked his eyes out.
Who pecked his eyes out?
The herringulls. Oh, who the bloody hell's that?
Hello. Hello, Mum. Lovely. How's your migraine? Oh. Oh. Well, that is a shame. Tomorrow, perhaps. Yes. Very good. There was even a toilet on the coach. Well, you know what he's like.